The Richard Mille RM011. An undisputed icon of modern haute horlogerie. Born from the world of Formula One, it is a machine built for extremes. But even the most resilient machines require recalibration. The journey begins with the case. Removing the signature grade 5 titanium spline screws allows us to lift the bezel and sapphire crystal, exposing the beating heart within the automatic flyback chronograph movement. With the utmost care, we begin the disassembly. The hands and the sapphire dial are removed to reveal the complex architecture of the caliber beneath. Every bridge, every gear, every microscopic spring is meticulously extracted. It is a puzzle of over 600 individual components. Once dismantled, the inspection begins. We are looking for the invisible, microscopic wear, friction points, and the degradation of factory lubricants that can compromise the watch's legendary precision. To restore the components to their original glory, they undergo a rigorous ultrasonic cleaning process. Submerged in aerospace-grade solutions, high-frequency sound waves gently but effectively strip away years of dried oils, dust, and debris. They emerge immaculate. The movement is meticulously put back together, layer by layer. Specialized synthetic lubricants are applied with pinpoint accuracy. A fraction of a millimeter off, or a micro drop too much, and the delicate balance is lost. With the heart beating once again, we listen to the acoustic signature of the escapement, adjusting the balance to ensure flawless chronometric performance. The fully assembled timepiece is fitted with brand new gaskets and sealed. It is then subjected to rigorous dry and wet pressure testing, guaranteeing its water resistance and structural integrity are exactly as they were the day it left the factory. Disassembled to its core. Purified, rebuilt, and perfectly calibrated. The Richard Mille RM011 is not just serviced, it is reborn. Ready, once again, to push the limits of time. Visit Gray & Sons at our storefront in Miami Beach, or online at grayandsons.com.